Hello everyone. As we all know, on the 5th of June, we are celebrating World Environment Day. So here I am with the video tutorial of a poster making on this topic. As you can see, I am starting with a very light and easy drawing here. I'm using acrylic color here. I'm starting with a very light layer of color and then I'm going light to dark here. Now I'm using dark blue here to make the earth. Now I'm using light blue here. I am going dark to really light here. One side of the earth is really dark, as you can see. Basically, I am trying to give it a 3D shape. I'm using dark green. I'm using dark brown for the trees and I'm gonna add some white here to make the highlights. For the leaves, I am using dark green here. Now I'm using light green here for the highlights. I'm using brush here. You can also use marker for the writing portion.